network lock? What do we get on ground? Maybe it's easy to get in from the data. Yeah, the graphics card different fans, also different fans. Keep graphics cards usually keep out on the fans. But they sometimes get loud. Different fans and the cheap graphics card usually. Okay. No, like, we're not doing anything heavy, we're just displaying X. It shouldn't be a big deal. But still, like, even playing games would be 10 times as good as I've done in the last 8 years or something, because I've only been using laptops since then. And they all kind of sucked. So yeah, I'm gonna do City Skylines again for a bit. Yay! I'm being addicted to that a lot. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I wanna... Right, I want to see the places available. And then we're gonna make like a row for that. So we're just gonna make like an entire different row thing, I suppose. Place. This is being used. Like in ground, I think. I think we even need to add like an endpoint for updating this. Or we could also refresh on adding a place. Or would you update it dynamically? I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Because like what you do with refresh is you get a new initial thing. I probably want to implement it properly though. Yeah, we have a list of places, so we can just use this to render the raster. The issue with this list is it is only the initial list. So it's not being dynamic at the moment, I think. We can see if it's being used. I think it's being used in reservations. Yeah, in reservations. So we also want to use this in... We want to use this in reservations and in the table. But then, like, I think I also want this to be dynamic. So we'll modify... We'll modify it. We'll modify it from create places. We'll just add it to it. After we create a place, then we'll add it. Add it to the list. We get the initial ones, and if we create more ones, we'll add it to the list. Or we like we'll make a fetch request maybe to the database. Get a new list. That's probably the best thing to do. We're creating this stuff. Table create. Oh. Oh, this is the right places. This is this form for creating places, right? Currently it's not doing anything. Well, it's just the form and sending it. Action form. We got map and app. How about that? So we want to make a dynamic out of this thing. And we'll change the endpoint as well to return a new list. If we set it, it will return a new list. We can't delete places at the moment, which is also a problem. But we'll do that later. We can add places and delete them, and we will just return a new list. I think that's the best idea, yeah. Oh right, we also had that issue with the error, right? We also fixed that then. Oh, we can already get them. We can already delete them. What the fuck, what am I talking about? You can delete them. Who made all this stuff? I didn't know. Let's write point3.io. Oh, to transform your code into better code, right? I wouldn't know what to do with this shit. I think there's also a program to do that for you. Definitely better, yeah, definitely. Would it work though? He doesn't know about map twice. Oh, it doesn't like dollar signs, huh? That's gonna work with this custom shit. Maybe here. What's soul count? It's a very serious head count. Very serious. We don't so actually we don't count. What do we? Oh, we don't count gingers, I suppose. What? Obscure South Park reference. Never mind. Things I shouldn't say on stream too, probably. What am I looking for? I'm looking for endpoints for places. So it's actually a roster, I think. Maybe not. Place endpoint. Post place endpoint. There you have it. Oh, we didn't even call this endpoints. What the fuck? No, I made all this shit. List places, delete. How much work did I put into this? What the fuck? I'm not even using it, and it's already there. How do you delete places then? Alright, that's another. Why are you showing? Yeah, but like soul count is for people. I don't know, I needed a strong name. I can just get a list endpoint. Displays endpoint. WE. Yeah, what we can do is like if we get a successful action out, we'll just call the endpoint. It's a really crappy way of doing it, but it will work. And then everything will be in sync. And then we get like a dynamic T of places and we can use it everywhere. Okay, let's do that. So like the reason I want to do it like this is then it keeps updating. Like every time you add a place, it will be in sync with server. Yeah, that's a fine event. It's a fine event. That's what I want. Update event. And we'll only do it like with success, right? Can I get the list of initial play? Right. So we're gonna replace this also with the dynamic. It's gonna give it as an argument. Get it as an argument. Beautiful. So the whole time with that. Places, and then the event will be client. But I haven't even used that. Company things, reservations. Get place. I bet it's never used. Yeah, it's only client. So I'll get place with success. And then this will put in the with success. Initial places. What? It's not that one. It's in it or something. Common off. But this is the backend. What the fuck am I doing? What is that module? Init, that's it. There you go. Whole time. You don't know about reflex? What the fuck? Have you been living on a rock or something? Let's import prelude. With success. But it's build max. Event. There you go. Misspelled, huh? No, it's not there. Right, I wanted to upstream this, but I haven't. Because it's also dependent on servant reflex, which may be something you don't want to use. Well, probably you want. No, like some people don't like servant. They say they don't like type level. For some reason, they don't like type level programming. Blows my mind. Right, this is what we want, right? The dynamic T plays. So now every time we update the form, we'll make another request. We'll update the form, we get out the event, and then if the event is successful, we'll make another request. And if that's successful, is requestful, we'll update the dynamic. How can you not like servant? Exactly! How could you not like servant? I mean, it's the best thing I ever encountered in my life. How could you not like servant? Well, people are choosing for other things. I've met several companies that chose for example, Scotty or something, and then some other people also chose for the one from that's Scotty. I don't know, the one from Yesod, I think. They were building on Yesod. It's just confusing to me. Expected type. Oh right, you need to be void as well. Right. With success. Void. Expected type servanty rec result. Actual type servanty. Oh, it's already done with success. Oh, nice. I'll just void it then. Wait, are you sure? Let's see what it does. Servanty. Okay. Apparently, it's already successful. Weird. Is my action form that good? Arising from the use when. Oh, actually, we should void earlier. No, I need to have my void. When is owner correct?